All right, good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. It all depends on when you are watching this video. This is By tutorial, so we are here to help you guys succeed. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you guys, so you'll be right there to check out the updates or information. Alright, so today I brought another episode for you guys. So the topic of today is how to write jam with mobile phone in 2024. Alright, so that's why we are here today. So we want to learn how to write jam with mobile phone in 2024. So first and foremost, jam is a UTME. We have the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, which is UTME. Alright, so that's the exam, but JAMB is the body that conducts the exam, but it's obvious we have all mastered to call it JAMB. So JAMB is the body, while the exam is UTME, so which is the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination. So that's the first step to any Nigerian institution. Alright, so that's to say that you must pass through JAMB before you gain admission into any Nigerian institution. Okay, so so passing JAMB and also to write JAMB. So we know that JAMB is fast approaching, probably April 19th, and so many persons will be searching for content like this. So that's why I've taken my time to break down this to you guys without wasting much of our time. So I'll be telling you guys today how to write JAMB with mobile phone. First of all, JAMB is a computer-based exam, which is CBT. Is a computer-based exam. So that's to tell you that the exam is only programmed to use computer. Understand? It's programmed to use computer to write. Understand? So you use computer to write. So if you have not made friend with your computer, please do well to make friend with your computer. Learn more, especially learn how to use the mouse. Alright, learn how to use the mouse, learn how to use the keyboard also, and also how to navigate the interface of the computer system of the exam as well. Alright, and most importantly, you also read your books. It is very, very important. Alright, so I have to tell you guys that there's no way you can write JAMB UTME examination with mobile phone. Okay, you can't write it with mobile phone. I know you guys must have been waiting to see if I can tell you that you can stay in your house to write down with mobile phone. No, you can't write down with mobile phone. All right, so it is a CBT exam. You use computer to write it. Okay, so you use computer to write it, don't use phone to write it. So you will stay, get yourself ready, prepare yourself. If you have not done your CBT training up to this very moment, please do. It is very, very important, because sometimes you may know what to write, you may equally know what to write in your exam, but because you are scared of the mouse, you are scared of the computer, before you know it, that like you will just forget every whole thing that you want to write. It's like that. It is like it happens to many students that I know a couple of times. You understand? So don't assume that you are going to write your JAMB with your phone. No, you're not writing with your phone. Okay? Your phone is going to stay outside the exam. Okay? So don't forget that. I love you guys. Okay? I want you guys to succeed. That's why I'm here to be giving you guys update. Back, and back. So we are still doing tutorial. So I will be dropping more tutorial, and dropping more tutorial. So you have not subscribed, so I guess you have a reason to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, and whenever I drop any tutorial, updates, school, anything at all, YouTube will notify you. Hey, By just drop update. You go there to check it out. Alright, so don't forget, I love you guys. Until I see you guys in my next video again. See, in our dictionary, we don't fail. As long as you're a By student, you don't fail. Alright, so we always keep winning. We won last year, we still win this year. Alright, so that's why I said you guys. Alright, until I see you guys again, keep winning. I love you guys.